Hi everyone, I hope you're doing great today. Okay, so barely 24 hours ago, I made a post on my Twitter handle and I was basically calling on all the indigenous persons from the place that you call Nigeria today to start getting ready to converge at number 10 Downing Street, London, UK, which of course is the current seat of the British colonial powers as of today. And I am proposing June 12th. For this protest. It's a protest we're planning. I know there's another protest that is planned for June 12th, and I don't want to play down on that protest, but I'm tired. I'm really sick and tired of wasted energy and wasted effort. Every time we try to do something under this genocidal regime in Nigeria, things kind of just go very awry and go very bad. Now, look at what happened. If you want me to remind you, look at what happened during our beautifully organized EndSARS protest. Everybody thought that that was it. Everybody thought that now, for the first time, Nigerian government is going to know that the people have the power. But what did we see? The whole thing that we planned went up in flames. And this is because you have a regime in Nigeria that is so bloodthirsty and so wicked that it does not care. In fact, the death of its citizens gives it a lot of boost and joy. That's what happened, and it will happen again. Mark my words. Any protest you organize within Nigeria right now is an invitation to anarchy and mass murder, because the people at the helm of affairs, they derive so much joy in seeing your blood flow on the street. Mark my words. That's why I said, listen, we need to be smarter, possibly smarter than our enemies. The more we continue to fight amongst ourselves, the more we continue to kill each other, the more the colonial powers who already want us to die, the more they rejoice. So what I want us to do now, because I'm in a place where I should know better, that's why I said the best thing for us to do is to take this protest to number 10 Downing Street. Let's take it to the doorsteps of the people we know to be the sources of our problem, because even an unborn child knows that the British government wholly, completely midwifed the regime we have in Nigeria today. They control the regime we have in Nigeria today. They run the regime we have in Nigeria today. There's no two ways about that. We know that. But they don't say anything when the people are dying. They're not saying anything at all. The British government up until this moment has not even as much as admitted that they were involved in the death of my people between 1967 and 1970 in Biafra land. They have not even admitted that what happened to my people, where we lost 3 to 5 million people, was a genocide. Meanwhile, Germany has admitted that the death of 100,000 people in Namibia by the hands of the Germans was a genocide. Okay, Rwanda, how many people died in Rwanda? 800,000. What was that called? It is called genocide. Today, United Kingdom has not admitted that the death of 3 to 5 million people was a genocide. See, this is it. This is why we need to take this battle to their doorsteps and stop fooling around. It's not going to take us anywhere. If we continue to fight amongst ourselves, they will laugh at us. And this is why I want my IPOB brothers, who I know are spread across the entirety of Europe. Everywhere you are in Europe, organize yourselves and come out. Let us go and register our sole displeasure at the British involvement in the rubbish that we are seeing in Nigeria today. I know that my beloved brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will never object to something like this. I know that Sunday Igboho will never object it. And I know that Reno Omokri himself, that when he sees this, he will know too well that this is far better and we have far more impact than going to block Buhari's residence in the United Kingdom. What is that going to do for us? The MAGA will come and stay there. When he's done, they will look at you people, make noise, and they will disappear. Even international media will not pay attention. But when we occupy number 10 Downing Street, London, when you go there and occupy it, you will see CNN there immediately. If they don't come the first day, they will come the second day. BBC will show up, Sky News will come, even Al Jazeera will come, all of them will come there. They will ask you, what is your problem? You show them your placard. Let them see decapitated bodies. Yesterday, someone sent me a video. An entire village, almost everybody massacred. They cut off their heads and took the heads and placed the heads beside the bodies. children, their heads beside their body, pregnant women disemboweled, their private parts, genitalia cut off and placed on top of their body. This has been our story in Nigeria since this man has been in power. And Britain does not want to make any official statement. The only official statement we get is from the British High Commissioner to Nigeria, telling us that, oh, UK is going to deny you visas if you try to cause trouble during the 2023 elections. This is what we're getting. But the people are dying. Christians in northern Nigeria have all gone, lost their lands. They are refugees in their own lands. And Femi Fani-Kayo, they told everybody that these people will deal with the Igbos, they will come after Yoruba, they will come after everybody, and this is what is happening right now. Everybody is had it in Nigeria. Middle Belt has had it, Yoruba, they've had it, the Igbos have had it, everybody has had it. So why is Britain still not talking? Why? You are the colonial power still holding sway, holding ground in Nigeria. Britain has everything that it takes to roll back this tide and stop this genocidal intent of this regime and stop them from massacring our people. We are dying like chickens every day. Every blessed day, people die. Look at the other day. Buhari was threatening Eastern Nigeria. He was threatening Eastern Nigeria with a civil war style intervention. This is Eastern Nigeria that up until the last 3-4 months, the Fulani herdsmen will go to our land and rape our young girls and make a video of it and mock us. They will go into a church and massacre everybody there and wear their choir uniform and use it to mock the God we serve. They were killing everybody and everything inside. And now when the boys got fed up and took up arms, now Buhari is threatening them with a civil war style intervention. That's why Twitter took down the tweet. And just after that, 2 high-profile northerners have come up again and said that Buhari regime is ready to take the war to southeasterners. Another one came out again and said that it's southerners that are in the north, that they better wait because the north will soon respond. And you know, before they came out to say this thing, I had an intelligence report, and I have to tell you this. This intelligence, I shared it with only 2 people. And I told them that by virtue of this intelligence, I was told completely and confidently, okay, that the northern part of Nigeria has already been stimulated fully for massacre. And that only thing they are waiting for now is a trigger. So, and I was told that the killing of Gulak, the politician that was killed in Imo State, was the first step. That the next step that will cause the trigger, that will become the trigger they are looking for, is going to happen in the southwestern part of Nigeria. In other words, a high-profile northern politician may be killed somewhere in southwestern part of Nigeria, either Lagos or somewhere. And when that happens, guess what? It will become the trigger that will cause the north to begin to kill southerners on a very large scale. And what you're going to see is something that will become 10 times worse than what you witnessed during the Biafran War. This was said to me. I revealed it to 2 people 2 days after I told them. These northerners came out now and spoke to confirm everything. You know why I'm taking you to 10 Downing Street? I am your brother. I have access to information that if I drop 1/10 of it, the whole place will burn out into pieces. I know what I am talking about. I'm telling you what will work for us. I'm telling you what will help us. Without this, we are not going anywhere. They will kill us. They already want you to die. Do you think that the mass population agenda of the colonials and all this thing we've been talking about is hearsay? You think it's conspiracy theory? They already want you to die. So anybody who can bring about bloodshed, who can bring about mass murder like the one we have in Nigeria, that person is a gift to them. If we keep on fighting amongst ourselves and protesting within the country, we are wasting our precious time and resources. We take it to them, then they will know we are not as foolish as they think we are. That's when they're going to begin to take us seriously. That's when the international media will now turn around and say, oh my goodness, what's going on over there? And then the thing will become a discussion. Because the moment it becomes a topic for discussion on the international scene, that's when we have won the battle. They want it to happen secretly, like it has happened during Rwanda, like it happened during Biafran War. Listen to John Lennon. John Lennon said that they made sure that the British press did not cover Biafra. They don't want people to know when the death is happening. So they will blame it on Africans that they like to kill themselves. Meanwhile, they see it happening, but they won't do anything. This time around, we fight the battle in a different way. We are taking it to their doorsteps. I'm calling on every single person. If you come from Nigeria, you are in the UK, you are in Europe, please leave whatever you're doing. Leave whatever you're doing. By June 12th, let's show up there. If they barricaded the place, let's go beyond the barricade. We're not going there to go and cause trouble. We're not going there to go and scatter anything. No, we will stay there and occupy until they pay attention. Britain must answer us. If they don't answer us, we're not leaving that place. I'm begging all of you, please let everybody gather. Enough is enough. This nonsense has to stop. Look at the way our people are dying. It has to stop. If you have any suggestion, if you want to be a volunteer, look at the email on the screen. Write me directly. We will coordinate it nicely. If we need to move the date forward, if there's any good reason to move it, I'm ready. I'm open. We can move it. I am calling again on my beloved brother Martin Namdekano. I'm calling on Sunday Boho, Reno Omokri, every person that has groups and following, wherever you are, please, I beg of you, let us work together. Talk to your members and let's make this happen. This is the last fight that we have to put up, or else our people will just be massacred for nothing and nothing will happen about it. May God forbid. God bless you.